Hello, ARC families. This is Mr. Park with the Principal's Nightlight. This is an important message. I was informed today that there seems to be a toy or I guess a bracelet that many students are. It's become popular, and some of the kids are bringing them into school. Here is a link to the item. It is a survival kit bracelet. The piece that is an issue is that it actually includes a flint fire starter. And so if you purchase this for your child, please ensure that they do not bring it to school. If they do, our teachers or staff will be taking it from them, and we will be asking parents to come pick them up. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at epark, as in Eugene, EPARK at chclc.org. And for your viewing pleasure, I have the Amazon link here for you. Hope you all having a great week, and looking forward to seeing you at Back to School Night.